this out. Yo, guys, the kids ran away today. We were supposed to be doing to have started with our class, and they somehow ran away. They are out and playing about. Um, I was just preparing some lunch for them, and I was like, okay, let me prepare lunch, and then after preparing lunch, I'm gonna we're gonna start with our classes. I went inside the house to take the supplies. So the meal today was it's something nutritious. That's what I prefer for the kids. It's some soup with butternut and carrots and some potatoes. I love it. It's one of my favorite, and Lily loves it. Lily loves the butternut in it as well as um, the potatoes. She loves the potatoes especially. So when I came back, they were gone. And I'm asking my mother, where are the kids? And she's like, oh, they were called away. And they ran away. So today I don't know how we're going to catch up because we need to catch up on the lessons. Already we are behind. They should be able to be writing their names now. I'm planning after I bathe them later on. I thought that it was them. Turns out it's not. I was thinking maybe after I bath them, then I'm gonna yeah, it's them. They're coming back. I think they've been given jobs. There they are. There they are on the road. That side, you see. So yeah, now they're coming back, guys. I've been meaning to wash my hair for the past 2 days, and yeah, to be me is to be a human. So now I'm gonna check my food, see how it's going, because the soup is a bit much. About my fire is burning. Look, so this is my fire. I'm here to check on my soup. You see what it means to be African. Ow! That was very painful. Eh, the soup looks healthy. Look at it. Now it just needs to simmer down a little bit, and the kids, I prefer to eat rice with this. Look how nice it looks. Oh, Jesus. So Lily loves this stuff like this, exactly like this. But I need to make sure this is very cooked. Ah? Eh, Wanga. Eh. Hey. Ariziwan. Bwana wachikoka uyo dovu swanga mi. Une wana wakoka. Ah, nani kata da kunini bwana utobari mwana tizu ndiko balo wana uitanta. Ah? Oh, don't know what Simon chinga kunini na namsi. Look how beautiful it looks. Ndinga dia nditapanga rilinda ndikonye gomulubereza. I need to taste this thing just to see how far the potatoes are. Guys, the soup. I've mixed a lot of them. I think I mixed chakalaka, oxtail. I don't know how many of them I mixed in here. The kids will enjoy themselves. That's all that matters. See, once again, I'm going to use my hands and I'm going to pick this up. It's very hard. That was very hard. My hands. Hi. Zwivhuya, chaza. Una mathenepo. Yo. Hey, now I'm just gonna relax. Lay back. Chaza. So now I'm gonna sit down. I'm gonna go and then I'm saying class in. I'm gonna sit down. It's done. Hi, Ebo. Nani nga do biga mugibera kana mara kunu ndiko to dela namusi. Tonda na yam guran. Ene chaza. It's done. Oh, dola denda. Chaza, it's done. Yeah, you can just tell. So I'm gonna supply this and go to Namsino Shaba and then go to you the necklace. No Shaba, no money. Then you remember this. Look how it is. You know, kids. And hello.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Hi. Niko na singo na feel very hello.
Hello.
Sino na para siti bandi jami.
Matera glue.
Matera glue.
No, you want kids?
Vikane zvitu ai isino. Nganyi. Nganyi. Guys, yeah, I'm being praised by the kids. They're saying that I cook nice stuff. Hey, hi, tulang kurenge. Yo, who pizza? What happened? Hey, so look at one. Is now they're very dirty. So with their debt, I don't know. Oh, tuku slippers. Like so with their debt, I don't know. I don't want them near my books with their debt. They're so dirty. So they should bath first. So I'm thinking maybe I'll do the class. I'm thinking maybe I'll do the class. Hello, Angel. Maybe we'll do the class later on. Maybe around 6, 7, or around 7. Because normally it will be done by then. What's so much tension? Jimin? Oh. The hair, Shem. The hair is giving, guys. Yo. Like my sister is my hairdresser, né? And like I normally like to give instructions like, okay, I don't want more than 10 lines. Back it again. And my sister will be doing close to 20 to 30 lines. So I've told her that you're no longer going to do my hair. I'm going to do my own hair. So now it's time to do my own hair. I am lazy. I'm yet to comb this. I'm even thinking of using a hair dryer or a straightener. I just don't want to use the oral color. What do they call those things? I don't even know what they're called, but whatever they're called. But I don't want to use them because they will cause hair damage. The amount of flies that are flying all over this place. We have a kettle down. This is my room behind me now. That is the kettle down. You see that? That's a kettle down. So I don't know if these flies are being caused by that kettle dung. Is it crawl? A kettle crawl. Hi. Hi, Mr. Love Lilita. I don't even know if I'm pronouncing that right. So I don't know, but they are all over this place. They are literally buzzing. If everybody keep quiet, you would hear them. Can you hear them? They're all over the place. Like you can hear them buzzing all over the place. and everything is green, guys. Oh, everything is green. So they have places where they can literally just and this one about I don't even know what it is. So apparently they got this. So I don't know what this is. It's a Wi-Fi thingy. They are selling a Wi-Fi. I don't know how it goes in your countries. Oh, all the way from Canada. Oh, I'm from South Africa. I'm from South Africa as well. From Limpopo, to be precise. Ooh. So they're selling Wi-Fi. I could never afford this unless if YouTube start paying me, then I could afford this. It's very expensive. 300 rands per month. I'll start thinking about things I could possibly do with that 300 rands. I'd be like, I could buy a manual, a bunch of reading books. Oh, girl, if you're a girl, let me tell you, Limpopo is hot. Okay, Limpopo is very, very hot. Like the way it's hot now, you wouldn't believe that around January 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, somewhere there, we were experiencing floods. You wouldn't guess it. You wouldn't. Limpopo is that hot. It's, oh my god. Like I'm an indoors person. I like to be indoors, né? It's one of the reasons why my tinea vesicolor flares up. You see, this is my tinea vesicolor. Yeah. Like I was sleeping with my daughter earlier on in the day. Yeah. Like where she was sleeping, né? It was soaked. Like soaked like somebody splashed water there. Limpopo is hard, and I'm not even exaggerating. If you've been here, you know what I'm doing. Oh god. And the rain, you know? You will ponder the rain all the way. Busy raining in other provinces and stuff. But this side, and the winter, the side, it's not even brutal. You have, ne? But now it's a little bit better. I'm not complaining that hard. It's just that now I don't like summer. I don't want to lie. I don't like summer. No, I prefer winter. Like in winter, my skin, it's, you know, it glows. Um, you know what? Everything gets better. But come summer in Limpopo, I think yesterday I was talking to this other one of my subscribers. She was like, she's coming from Sweden, and she was like, they have such lovely weather that side. And I was like, I so wish that I was rich in such a way that when it's summer here, I would relocate that side. When it's summer that side, I would relocate this side. And you know what she said? She also said that when it's summer that side, their temperatures ranges from 25 to 30 degrees. That is like temperatures of winter here in Limpopo, 25 to 30 degrees. I want to be there, Shem. If you are in Canada, oh Shem, allow me to be there with you. So I'm gonna check my soup. I'm going to check my soup. I want to be there. I think I saw on the news. I think it was a few weeks back that I don't know if Canada was also experiencing this weather, but I think they said something of intense storm, snow, what. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it right, if I'm correct, but I think they were talking about snow. Ooh, my soup is coming together. Let me show you. I want to come there, Shem. You see, it's coming together. Ooh. Shem. It's about to be done. Yeah, I want to come there. Believe me, like I have crazy skin conditions that are not favorable in summer. Like I should have been born in that other side of the world. I should have been born in Canada. I shouldn't have been born this side. Like, I want that weather. I really love it. It's just that I don't know if my body could ever withstand such temperatures. But I wish I've been born that side. I'm kidding. The where I stay, it's so nice. Like the trees. Even though it's hot, um, there are a lot of trees here in our yard. Like, we have so many trees, so the temperature outside is not as hot as it is inside the house. I think I've showed, if you're a long time subscriber, I showed around the place. You know how many trees we have here. We have too many trees. It's like, is it a botanical garden? We have so many trees here at home. We have mango trees. We have narches trees. Oh, too many. Hi, Mr. Fancy. No, I'm just gonna say it. You love South Africa. Why do you love South Africa? Do you love the township? I don't know if you've ever been to the villages of South Africa. Have you? So I have this banana that I've kept in the fridge. Oh, this is gonna be suitable for doing what? A banana bread. We're gonna do a banana bread tomorrow. I'm gonna return it back to the fridge, and I'm gonna do a banana bread tomorrow. Go that side. So I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna treat the kids tomorrow to a banana bread. I thought maybe it was better. I was planning on making some nice snack, but since it is that, we're gonna do banana bread tomorrow. Yes. Kids, do not be sad. No, what remember. So kwata ti. So kwata. No, it's a banana. It was inside the fridge. Like, I had it was in the deep freezer. It was in the deep freezer. Normally snacks for the kids. So now I realize that it has gone to that state where it's not really suitable to eat. I like to eat a banana like that with oats. So, but I'm not in the mood for oats. So it will be suitable for a little banana bread for the kids tomorrow. So I'm just gonna leave it like that, and I'm gonna do some banana bread tomorrow. Wait, Annie. Being a parent is one of the hardest thing ever. Cause why are kids always calling you like ma, ma, ma? Meaning, my son is trying to speak English. Because what I'm good, honey. You see? You see why ndichikoni kudisa chikwani chiri good honey learn. Because what? Ndani kwamba English zini. This is na reset. Then goes nkwamba zini nkwamba nichiri hi, this is so cool. 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 You live in South Africa. That is great. How are you by South African people? I know as South African, eh? We always have things to complain about. We always, there is always something to complain about. It's one of the few reasons why in most days, most days I prefer to just log out of social media networks and be like normal, because it's so hectic. It's hectic every day. There is always something. It's every day is always something. If it's not something political, you're gonna hear about a kidnapped baby. You're gonna hear about it's a lot. But how are you, my South African people? What's happening your side? Lily is back. Lily, hi, Lily. Takara sendani yange ndivyo mwana. She's back. Mwah! Lily B. Lily B. Lily B. So I need to take off the soup that we're cooking. Cheza, Chimano just dishing though. I need to take it off and dish up for the kids. Yeah, it's about that time. I think it's fine. I'm not sure about the potatoes, but once it does like this, I think this is gonna be delicious. You Lily! Oh my god! Like, okay, what does your name represent? Um, my daughter's name represent delicacy. Like, she's very delicate in the sense that she was born before her time, and she also indicates purity. I don't know if I'm saying that right. And innocence, there is this white lily flower. I don't know if you've ever seen it. I literally did so much research. I wanted something very special. She's a special girl. Like, the circumstances around her birth was just so crazy. And I was like, I'm not gonna let all the crazy things happening. I this is charm. What's in it? Okay. As is on this dish. Phew, the porridge has water inside. I'm very intentional when I name my kids. My firstborn is named Emmanuel, and Cheza, meaning light, Oritonda, meaning we have been blessed, and Lily is called Lily. Zonaka means symbolizing beauty, and Rwanda symbolizing prosperity. I name all my kids. I do not allow anyone to name my kids at all. Like, I don't negotiate. Hey, ndinanokuliza mzika we. Woo! My sister is playing music, so I'm gonna be forced to like stop this. So yeah, I don't negotiate when it comes to naming my kids. So guys, I don't negotiate when it comes to naming my kids. Like, I literally do it myself. Lily, 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 Lily. She's coming. Lily, Lily, Lily. Takwani, get up, girl. Lily. I like, my sister was going, so I was forced to like take the camera to the side, or else YouTube is gonna have a problem with me. It's gonna go like a minor unsupervised. So no. Lily. Oh, baby girl. Yeah. She's literally crawling. And then the other day, she took her first step. She took her first step on the 5 of this month. Yeah, 5 of February. Lily took her first step. Let me go about and dish up for the kids. Yes, I'm sure they're very hungry. Then I can start. I'm not sure I like the way this looks. This is Lily's dish. She loves potatoes. Ah, yeah, don't do. She loves potatoes too much. So that's Lily's. the kids, the whatever they're talking about. This one they're gonna get soup because they love soup. There are others that don't like carrots. I think I should cook rice for myself. I'm an adult. I can do whatever I want. No one is gonna ask questions. This is the butternut. I think this is fine. Yep, I think we're done. And now the kids are gonna. Maybe I should add some potato for Lily. Because I'm gonna end up eating it anyway. If she doesn't, it's gonna come to me. Hey, it ain't just this is way. No, no, tambe sonda. Eh? They haven't even washed their hands yet. Mm? Hey. Mm? Alright. Yeah. So, name of dish. I don't even know what it is. I just prefer to call it something healthy. This is something healthy. Like you buy. Let me show you the ingredients because I think I put them. I haven't returned them yet. So it's a mixture of the soup. Wait. It's a mixture of this soup. This one. And then which one else? This one as well. A little bit of this one because it's for the kids, obviously. And this one as well. It's very delicious. And this one is very delicious. And this one. I thought maybe I left the Lily's dish with her because it's very hot, and I don't want my baby girl. Turns out those kids stole my water. They stole my water. Wow, all the way from Germany. Hi. We are from South Africa. Mm-mm. Let me see. Ah, una boda ngangem rao. Ira namadi. As you know. Lily, you're not gonna win. Nothing. Shame. I love carrots. It literally melts in your mouth. This is very good. I think I need to cook rice. I'm gonna cook rice. Lily wants to eat now. She's impatient. I don't know what to do. She's literally trying to climb on top of me. Yeah, then I will saw. Yeah. She's coming for the banana. She wants to. Bembas. Ay, totora kurenge. Yanu bange. Ndauti baini ngoti burura. Hey, ha kids shem. Uko da Rwanda pano. Uko do just dish and do someone. Turani kurenge na dish za pewo. One other problem with Lily is that she will chase you guys when you're eating. And she does not like eating. She does not like eating. I don't know why. Rani, hello. Rani, hi. Hello. Ini kau nak duduk ni? Zino, ni ni bisa lor ni leti. So we're eating with pap. Oh, Lily baby. Mm. 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 Lily baby. Mm. I don't think she's gonna eat for long. She does not like eating. Baby girl does not like eating. Then hello. Say hi.
Hello. Hi.
Ooh. So I'm taking Pap.
Hello. Say hi.
I have to break the potatoes down because they're very hot. Mm-mm. Mm.
Daddy, I'm gonna grab a
Mm. 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 You see how much she loves the potatoes. She loves them too much. Mlandu. Mm. Mlandu. Why do babies behave like this? Mlandu. Mm. 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 Oh, Bisha. Sorry. Oh, I think it was still hot. Adopa. Nyora takul. Yeah, well, my daughter loves she loves this. I need to wash my hair today. Later on. What time is it? I need to wash my hair. Maybe I'll think about what to do during the weekend. I'm also hungry. But I can't do anything about my hunger because Lily is apparently
Mama Goko.
ani ngati na tuwa na dilera. Mm. 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 Yeah. Now is my chance to eat. Mm. Lily. Mm. I'm not a fan of the pumpkin. It's no. Wamanda udobore badi. Mm. Although we are one and roller of it. My favorite soup was eh? Kudobe amad.
Baba.
Pepe. Nope. She's surprising me today because she's eating. Normally, it's a fight. Anyone that was on man. Kana ndoto na wote. Kana ndoto na
Kubo kungata unobona.
Suni chitonga nikhandwa.
Lekandwaka.
Tonga ni ndwa.
Kusema koko.
Okay. Mabene hapa.
Majana mala.
Ne.
Minala mama koko ni muruani. Ni muruani hapa.
Oh, shame. Ngo dipero ti? Diba? Hmm? Hmm. Hmm? The kids always praise my cooking. Yo, I love how the carrots is melting. I want to cook this meal, but with some chicken pieces. I wonder how it would taste. Cause this is so good. Mm. Oh, I'm taking the porridge. Hmm? Jenny, hi. I'm taking the porridge. Lily, Lily. No. You're not supposed to do that. No. I done game. Lily, no. Even the potato is just melting. Robana, eso tu zuko dipa. Eso zilwa. Azu kwani dipera. The sandil. Just the same. Yeah. Mm. Mm. Now I need to go and dish up for myself. You see how nice it is to be an adult. Mm. Mm. Eh. Ma the same pen again. This Ani mako mafuna madabra. So my son does not want the potatoes. So I am gonna eat the potatoes for him. Ani mafuna madabura ti? Sinu mnandini koto chuluka ngura. Timo funga ndini. Yeah. Ni tongana ko gidi mine. How come tongana ko gidi? Yo, now finally Lily is going. She is moving like a train. Now I can eat. Hi. Mm. Mm. Hi, baby. Baby Lily, but hi. They're saying hello. Hi. Hello. Kurusa da. Ano kaya mana? Acho gonyanta. Nche buya. No be na. No be bam.
Tosta.
Ubu usete na nebe kende
Ndindi
sekema.
deli pe deli gaku.
Ukafa African. Nda.
Halo.
Nyala.
Ya lele gaku.
Abo furisi. La.
Ni deli bisa mama.
Dakalo ini tu ni bona hapa na. Ubashina tumo. Na danda banda banda tira zungu tuzungiza bali. Eno da dilaran tu pedi. Chata tu wani zura pasange. Nyola no zura pas. Bajamini. Ah.